What's up, you guys? It's Eric from Anabolic Aliens here, and today I'm going to take you through 5 chest finisher exercises to add on to the end of any chest workout. The first chest finisher we're going to be doing is the push-up plate hold, and it will be performed like this. I need to put the plate on my back. So what you want to do in this position is you want to lower yourself a few inches from the ground, stabilize the weight, and hold yourself there for as long as you can. Now, if you're a beginner, you don't have to use any weight, but as you become more advanced at the exercise, you can start adding more weight or adding more time depending on your goals. The next exercise we will be performing is the bench press, but we're not going to be doing your typical bench press. We're going to be pausing 1 to 2 inches from the chest and holding it there for as long as we can to really burn out the chest. So set up your normal bench with a normal grip. You can change it to a wider grip if necessary, and I do recommend using a spotter, but for the sake that I'm not using a lot of weight right now, I will be safe using only this amount of weight. And the spotter will actually pull the weight off of you at the end when your chest is completely fried. So you'll unrack, lower the bar to you would normally do on a bench press, but stop 1 to 2 inches from your chest and hold this for as long as you can. Have your spotter count out loud so you can record it, so you can try to beat your time next workout, or you can add more weight as necessary. So if you feel good enough to explode back up, that means you didn't do enough work. That's why you have your spotter there, so you can really lower it, keep it there for as long as you can, and have the spotter pull it off of you in the end. The next exercise we'll be doing is the Svend Press, which is also known as an isometric chest squeeze with a pressing movement at the end. So if you sit at your computer or wherever you're watching this video, put your hands together like such, squeeze them together, and you'll feel your chest activate, and then press forward, and you can really feel your chest tighten up, but we're gonna be doing it with weight. So you can grab 2 10s, 2 5s, any plate that you're gonna be able to hold for the duration of the exercise, clamp the weights together, push as hard as you can, flare your fingers out so you're not gripping the weight with your fingers, and press forward, and then slowly back in. And you can also change the angle of the exercise by doing decline ones or incline ones. And you want to go to failure with this exercise, and you'll feel a burn like you've never felt before. An underrated chest finisher is something that's commonly forgotten. It's actually just doing push-ups until failure. But when doing a push-up, it's very important to make sure that you still have a neutral spine. A lot of sports, high school sports specifically, I remember they always taught us to do push-ups with your head up. But in reality, you want to keep a neutral spine so your body's flat like a board as you go down. But it's not just about doing push-ups until failure. It's about changing the tempo, time under tension. You can do some slow ones, pause at the bottom, come up, or you can do fast ones. It's combining these two things that's really going to put your chest through the ringer, and at the end of your workout, you're gonna feel a pump and you're gonna have a nice full chest. The next exercise we will be performing is the bench press, but we're gonna be doing it this time for max reps with a light amount of weight. So you're gonna pick a weight that you can get more than 15 reps with, because we're gonna be working on the endurance part of your muscle and the lactic acid threshold here. Remember, so pick a weight where you can fail greater than 15 reps. Each rep should be full and contracted. You shouldn't be sitting here like it's an NFL combine and bouncing the weight off your chest. Try to control each rep on this, because you're really trying to burn out the muscle and not use momentum to get a certain desired amount of reps. Hope you guys enjoyed these 5 chest finisher exercises. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the section below, and make sure to like and subscribe for more Anabolic Aliens content. Peace.